We are having nice outing with kids at the park. So we are at a park in Mississauga, just having a chill day with the kiddos. Okay.
What are you chewing? What are you chewing? What are you chewing?
Grass.
Do you know that I actually ate grass before?
Ew.
Hello. Where's the water bottle? Let's jump. Let's jump.
Jump kita giliran jump saya mas.
I'll jump.
It's a small park, but playground, but it's good. Not too crowded, and they have different activities for the kids. They have tennis, basketball court. Dada, Papa smile chida guys. Papa hande parning de maji gay. Guys, di playground ning jamu de. Di thusing de ning jamu do sesh di. Kala rest strength ki. Jaiza, oh Titanic do do. Titanic la sing chidu gala ning je. Thingi de sing chidu gala. Jack the Rose gang la di da. Kala de. Oh, di activity pe ako do ni. Playground ra chama chere mena mane. Dan mena pura jam de.
This is so easy.
Resident area che. Because dog house. Oh, this is that was like fake beach. Mini picnic area, fake beach.
I actually don't think of this.
Kuni is the champion dish, champion.
What?
Very good. Can you get the which is like?
On top of the ship.
Wow. So you're like Jack and Rose. Remember how they climb on top of the
This is like the ship.
sinking ship? Hey, bag de ning hasa kesa. F ni thai chikli do. Bag de shira changa me cha ya ko de.
Fair Wings.
Fair Wings Park. Kyo de nguna de nagu wala nguna de. Oh, good job. Kana chas de kibude. Pe chaba chama se ne. Papa zo chu dongi dongi chila. Chutada. Ngaltada. Ning jumo dongma tenda chu. 야, 야. 이래라. 그래도 니마티 차다도 마셔요. 근데 냐요. 이제 줄라치들은 백 기부여다. 릴렉스. Okay guys, ta dolo ama. Nima pe chau dolo. Parkdale. It's almost 1:30, but most of the restaurants are closed. Closed. Sonamla? Mazuda kawalet. Jameson kaje. Eat food, right? Most of them kaje sha. Go get shadwa. 이내 양 아주 칼라심 부지 짝도 주고게. Already. 먼저 넘어 줘라.
Ini cik dah.
Tidak sih, puji tidak awal menu kita kamu sih.
Kita puri salam.
Wow. Kira nak apa kalau dah? Am ini sih okay. So menu. And some lawans. Apple juice. Puju tadi sakar deh. Monday lah. Berapa kali? Sadawa. Oh, moon. Sadawa. Tadi kali kan tu long weekend dah.
What about summer camp?
Tadi long weekend dah. Mana summer camp dia marah Monday. Kita cakap macam tadi playground lah. Ya. Tadi tanda khala kering ada. Point je mare kan lada. Khala kering ada. Kira jugu kaya tu, jugu tu pasti le. Oh, momo ada.
Momo.
Okay.
And the momo I want is just the momo.
It's just steam momo dah.
I want steam.
Kira kaya dah mana? Okay.
Bah.
Thank you. Oh my God, Papa का जितना noodles है, खरीद कर दो. Chicken, दाल, आलू, दे, पापड़ी ये क्या था चल? Papadi. Looks good. Enjoy, Papa.
I'm gonna cry.
Hello. Thank you, Papa. It's good. Nobody thari ta tappa. Shumber. Chocolate ngai. Kamu cukup plate kini. So Bunchung's Renchens Momo is here. Thank you. Unchen lagi momo lesu. Samla momo sagi me? Me? Sanamla doesn't want anything. Chaman go. Which momo hande to? Good. Samla momo try chick try. Chick try. Samla papadi try papadi.
Huh?
Little bit sa. Crunchy doa. Shimbuere.
More?
Samla. Momo shimbu cha sa. Tama hondi sa. Samla ninche. He only eats pakpa. Chung is enjoying whole momo. Papa is enjoying thali. And I'm enjoying my empty table. Naga jol momo ra. Probably on the way. Okay, so my jol momo. I don't know. I was expecting like a jol momo. This is more like tomato achar. Anyways, my jol momo. That's almost done. Boys are also enjoying. Smart.
Apa itu?
So my jol momo.
Do you have any water?
Ikut aja.
Have some rice.
It's a dessert, yogurt and kasi kay marsa kasaw de denyo re panyer. Ale, mar nga extra hot marsa shabad nyo. Anzu ningje sardar ji gi chonga. So marsa ta ge ni she. It's icebreaker in dinyo marta. Sardar ji gi chonga. Chiri ni marta. Okay, nga marsa ta lewa. Oh my god, this store zaman na lang anzu dela dedura store chinju chirningche pe yar ke doda. I came for the extra hot chili but they don't have that. Cousin kesange dinyash ra di shira khaso ro fil chi mastanga thanda dilem ba already. Okay, masala Sardar Ji store has a lot of stuff. Sat Sri Akal Paji. Thank you. Sidela. Snack.
निकालो कितना एक उनका बंदा
Stuff from India.
होगा उधर एक आती कट्टू डालो बैग में.
Oh my god. Phil, asim saya meh. आपके हाथ का लक देखेंगे.
मेरे हाथ में कुछ नहीं है.
No, I don't want to lick. Thank you.
कितनी बार देख चुका हूँ.
बहुत साल हो गया लो तो देख के. फिर पता नहीं है ना फिर कब क्या लग जाए.
हम लोग 50-50 खेलते हैं. मैं ठीक है मैं ये टिकट ले रहा. नहीं मुझे तो दूसरी टिप चाहिए। मैं ठीक है दूसरी ले ले, उसमें कुछ नहीं निकला। बाद में मैंने सोचा कि मैं ये भी टिप खोल ही लूं। मैं देखा तो 100।
ओ
मैं कहा वो बंदा
50 रुपए खो
उसने
गया।
मेरे से खेला नहीं है।
हाँ ठीक
अपना ही
है।
अंदाज में।
थैंक यू बहन जी। नीचे डिस्ट्रिक्ट सरमला क्यों आइसक्रीम खा रहे? Chocolate, wow, chocolate coated, vanilla inside. Pujo, क्या आइसक्रीम खा रहे थे अंदर?
It is really good.
Strawberry, kulfi की style dish. अनि खाने दो समुद्र. Good.
You can eat paper.
A few moments later.
Papa is making homemade pizza. So it's gonna be just cheese pizza, right, Papa? Because Jojo doesn't like any other topping. He doesn't eat meat, so it's gonna be a nice double cheese pizza. Wow. So it's gonna take what, 18 and a half minutes? It's yummy. Cheese pizza looks delicious. Jesus, what is this? Canada pizza, the sausage.
Really good. It tastes so good.
Really?
Yeah. It's a 9 out of 10.
9 out of 10?
Sausage and pizza.
They're really hot.
They're really hot and delicious. Ujung ke di ranch do ketchup do lue me. Ah. Alrighty.